How to buy TikTok coins with Google Play on Android. What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys a quick way to buy TikTok coins using Google Play. So first of all, what you have to do is open up your TikTok. So from here you just have to tap on your TikTok app and it will open up your TikTok. And after that, once your TikTok is open, you just tap on this me icon at the bottom right corner and this will open up your profile. Now on your profile, you just have to tap on the three dots, which will pop up a menu, and from there you have to choose settings and privacy. Once your settings and privacy, under your account section, you just have to tap on balance and it will show you your wallet and let you load your wallet. So it will show up your coin balance right here where you have an option to recharge. So you just have to tap on it. And once you tap on your recharge button, it will show you the coin bundles. So you can get 100 coins for $129, 500 for $649, 2,000 coins for $26.99, and 5,000 for $66.99. So you just have to choose your preferred bundle, and once you tap on it, the Google Play's pop-up will appear. If you haven't already added your payment method, you will have an option to add a new method, or you can tap on your current method on the pop-up or select or add a new one if you want. And from there you just tap on this big green buy button, and after that the TikTok coins will be loaded to your account. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.